Hello everyone and welcome back to Camera West TV. Today we're going to be unboxing the brand new 56mm f1.2 R WR lens. So this is actually the second generation of this lens, and personally the first one was one of my favorites. It did have some issues, so I'm hoping that they fixed it in this one. If you want to find out if they did fix it, then you're going to need to subscribe and check out the review when it comes up soon. Alright, so inside the box we have registration info, lens pouch as always, little owner's manual here, another piece of paperwork, and inside the box we've got the lens and the lens hood. Pretty simple. So let's see if it's different. So off the bat, I don't think it's very different. It looks the same to me. It might be a little bit bigger. I'll have to actually do a comparison in the review, so make sure you subscribe for that. But overall, it's got a decent weight to it. I think it might actually be heavier than the previous generation. And here's the lens hood. Looks like it's the same lens hood as before. So personally, this was one of my favorite lenses. I always loved to shoot it at 1.2 because it was sharp at that point. However, there was quite a bit of chromatic aberration in that first one. So hopefully in the second one, they might have tuned it up a little bit. So one of the big differences between this one and the old version is that this is actually weather sealed now. And that's where that WR designation comes into play. Well, this was a quick look at the brand new Fujifilm 56mm f1.2 R WR lens. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comments below. If you're interested in picking one of these up, you can hit the link down in the description below. It'll take you over to camerawest.com. My name is Adam, and I'll see you next time.